Move Valorant to another drive without reinstalling. So first, what you need to do is just simply close out the Riot Client right here. So exit out of this and also exit it out here on the taskbar at the bottom right. So click on this up arrow, then right click on the Riot Client, then click on exit. Once that's done, you just simply need to search for it on your Windows, Valorant, and just simply click on open file location, and it should bring you right here. Then right click on Valorant again, then click on open file location again, then click on Riot Games here at the top. Then you will see the Valorant folder. You just simply need to copy or cut if you want to have a copy of Valorant on this drive, you could just simply copy it, but we need to cut or move it so that Valorant won't detect it right here, and it will detect the other one that we will move to another folder. So just simply need to cut it right here. So right click on the Valorant folder, click on cut. Once that's done, go to the drive that you want to move it to. So I'm gonna go to C drive. I'm just gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna click on paste right there. And now you just simply need to wait till it's done. Now once Valorant is uploaded, you just simply need to open up your Riot client again. We're going to open up mine right here. Now once your Riot client is opened up, just simply click on Valorant. As you can see, it says install, so you just simply need to click on install and click on this already installed button right here. So this will open up the select install location. So I'm just going to go to this install location that I have right here. You could just simply copy this one. So it's basically the C drives. So for you, it might be different. So you could, a helpful thing is to basically copy it. Now once I'm here, I'm gonna click on Valorant, then click on the live folder, then click on OK. Now you just simply need to wait. It says it's installing, but after that, it will just present it as play. And then I could just basically open up Valorant and play the game. And that's it.